What's going on YouTube? Here we go again. On this episode of Old Glory Garage, we are picking up a 1969 C20 dump truck. I don't know why I want one of these. Probably the autism, might be a little crazy, I don't know. Wife doesn't approve or like it, but it's gonna be cool. So here we go. Stay tuned for some adventure. Here we go again, YouTube. Thanks again for joining us at Old Glory Garage. I'm just packing right now for a vehicle revival road trip. Let me walk you through, I guess, what's in the bag. Since we're going about 2.5 hours to go pick this thing up. And by this thing, I mean this glorious shit box right here. Stay tuned for an epic adventure that turned into a family road trip. Hopefully they don't hate me for this. So going through the gear that I'm bringing, just starting off with the camera stuff, some of the other random accessories and cords, and then the small tripod. All reliable here. These Craftsman multi-tool toolboxes are great for on the road. Plenty of stuff in them if you end up having to fix anything. And just some other things in the bag. Of course, got to have the flashlights, make sure they're charged. And this portable jack, in case we got to take a tire off. And we got multiple straps tying everything down. So this is the majority of it. Besides a couple tarps in the bag. This good old girl right here hopefully should be able to pull home a dump truck. Definitely gonna hate me. At least the 4L60 might cry. Just gotta take it easy. Only 130,000 miles, should be okay. And hopefully this is the last time we're doing a big heavy pull with this thing. Checking fluids, tire pressure right now, get everything loaded up before we hit the road tomorrow. Should be a fun family road trip. At least the 4L60E is definitely gonna cry trying to pull this thing home. She's a good old girl, she should be able to do it. The new truck is gonna be the new tow pig toy for hauling heavy stuff around or pulling anything. It's been regular on maintenance and trans flushes and oil changes and everything. So more maintenance than 99% of Americans actually do. I almost forgot the most important thing. We're hauling a big trailer. It's got trailer brakes. They aren't gonna work if I don't have one of these hooked up. Luckily this is temporary, so I'm probably just gonna zip tie it up and plug it in. Call it good. So let's do it. Brake controllers right here. There's a little cover down here you pull off. A little nut you twist off. You can do it by hand usually. And it's pretty long. So take that off. Pop this black cover off. And then this just literally plugs in up here at the top. That's it for that one. I'm pretty much just going to zip tie it for that for now. Zip tie it up here for now, and then I'm taking it off after because I don't intend to tow with this thing ever. Alright, last and final thing, put the cover back on. And try to put the nut back on. It's temporary. And then pure zip ties. Temporary, it's coming back off. There it is, that'll do. Hey. Here we go. Dang. Bumpy out here. Sorry, YouTube shaking you up. You could get a house, but you can't race a truck. Got the trailer. Hopefully this is the last time we're driving anything or pulling anything heavy with the truck. She don't like it. Well, here we go. Let's load up and get on the road. Hopefully my trans does not cry the whole way. Probably will though. Here's the butte. Rust and glory. I don't make them like they used to. Little dump bed. Nice toolbox. Couple drainage holes, mud daubers. Extra fuel tank. Little dump bed. Here we go. This thing will be fun. It's already made my toddler cry because it's too loud for him. PTO. Oh yeah. Look at that air filter, that's performance. Got manual brakes, manual steering, manual clutch, muffler delete. Can't get more simple and good than this though. So Thrift 6 250 should run it forever. Alright, let's get to loading this thing. Well, let's see how well I can film and drive a stick at the same time. Look at that. Purrs like a kitten. Alright. We got her all loaded. We're strapped. Ain't going nowhere. Here we go. Load her up and take her home. Hopefully we don't die. Let's do it. Since this is a family road trip, we always have to try to stop and get some good food to eat from places. On this trip, we ended up stopping at Gandalf's, a nice Irish pub. Had a lot of good food choices. I ended up getting the shepherd's pie there, which was awesome. And my son also wanted to play in the playground for a little bit, stretch his legs before we got back in the car for another 2.5 3 hour trip home. We got her home. We didn't die. The 4L60 was pissed, but she made it going 60-65 through the Ohio Turnpike and didn't blow up. So let's do a quick walk around. Now that we've got it home, we can look at it a little closer. And let's count how many mud dauber bee nests are on this thing, because there was a lot when I was looking it over. Oh, there's one hiding right there. 2, 3, 4, one in the trans. Uh-oh, that's never a good sign. Full of nuts. That poor wiring. Oh yeah. Old owner likes to part. We've got some bush light, some pliers, a wrench. Old straight 6 250. Purrs like a kitten still. Oh, 5, 6. Surprisingly none inside with the window needing work. No vent window, which holds up the main glass. Other side's okay. Now the fun ones. Alright, and the toolbox. These are the real good ones. Mouse nests. What are we at? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a wasp nest. There's just a mountain of them, plus some mouse nest in there. Not hiding out underneath. The extra tank. I'm gonna have to trim these bars so it actually fits in my garage. Surprisingly it will if I trim them off about at the board. Oh, 2 more. What are we, 9, 10, 11, 12? I don't know, I lost count at this point. Any more hidden? Oh, that's a big one. More mouse nests. Oh, more bush light. Oh, there's 2. I haven't even crawled under this thing yet. Kind of scared to. Alright, here's the scary part. Whoa! Nice access hole to the toolbox. I think that might have been where the lights used to hang. I gotta fix all the wiring for the lights. How big them cylinders are. Oof. Oh yeah. Oh, more mud daubers. Oh, what is that crazy thing? A shaft that goes all the way up to the transmission for PTO. Nice. Oh yeah. There's the pump. There's the tanks back here somewhere. Excuse my ignorance, I don't really know these. I haven't messed with hydraulics on old trucks or lift beds or anything. Oh, that's nice. Oof, that poor floor. It's still there though. Might be salvageable. I might not have to replace it. Oh my god, the grease. Holy. Oh wait, more mud daubers. There's a whole army, a whole fort of them in here. God. Carrier bearing. What is this line for? What is that? Oh, we got electrical tape. Is that the fuel line? Oh, we got grapes in here. Sweet. Okay, I'll get that all later. The amount of grease. Oh. Oof. Hey. Yeah, poor girl. At least the frame's decently solid. Not heavy, beefy suspension we got here. Oil pan. Look at that exhaust. Just dumps it right there where she broke off at. Wow. Oh look, more daubers. Dang, these things are everywhere. Not bad all in all. Little girl needs a little love. I can definitely fix it. I've definitely messed with way worse. Oh, they put new. Sweet, that's, well, Yeah, I might redo all this stuff. I put inners. I might need a floor pan. Scared to look on the other side. Okay, I'm done. I'm crawling out before I get something fun stuck in my eye. There it is. This is the old truck. Thanks again for sticking around to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe just so you can get updates on future videos for this project series. See you in the next one. So I'm either gonna love this or the wife's gonna murder me. I haven't been able to decide how much of this purchase is impulsive buy. I don't know what's cooler, being fork truck certified or autistic guy owning a dump truck. Does anyone really need a dump truck? No, but I want a dump truck. It'll be a good time. These old 68 to 72s are good looking vehicles anyway. Apparently I'm the only guy actually offering to buy this thing from the owner, and he's got a lot of weird offers like boats, and I think he got offered a single wide for it or something too. I don't know.